Hey y'all, Pawpaw here. Today I'm going to show y'all how to reset the oil life on your 2019 Dodge Caravan. Simple job, quick and easy. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, if when you start your 2019 Dodge Caravan, your screen comes up, you get an oil change due signal. This is what you do. Turn it off. Turn the key to the on position where everything lights up. Fully depress your gas pedal 3 times. Then turn the key off. That should reset your oil life. Let's see if it done it. I'm gonna turn the key on. Low tire pressure. No oil life reset, or no oil change required. And that is all that you need to do to reset your oil life light on the 2019 Dodge Caravan. This is Pawpaw saying, y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.